Bro2 here. I've been uploading a lot today, so I just thought, let's make another one. There's going to be like 50 videos from me today, so let's do this.
Hello, I'm here, and
we're doing some bike tricks.
Yeah, but this is going to be just me because Pro's bike is
broken, and I'm getting probably a new bike soon.
Yeah, so we're gonna go head over to the jumps, and I'm gonna do some tricks for you guys.
Yep.
I'll even do some tricks on the way.
Well, I have a bike that I could ride. It's just that it's not mine. Wait, listen, you could ask Dad if I could borrow Marshall's bike again. Cause yesterday.
Just record me doing catwalks and stuff.
Oh shit.
Record me doing tricks, bro.
Okay. Got 8 gigabytes left on this, so.
Why? No, that was a fail.
That was a good one.
God, that was awesome. That was the best catwalk ever.
Yeah.
Let's go to the jumps, do some tricks.
Let's go. Uh-oh, I got low battery, man. I think we're gonna end it off here, guys. I got low battery. Well, Bro2 out. Yep, part 2 will come out soon. Yeah, probably an hour from here now, because it'll take a while to upload. So yeah, Bro2 out. Subscribe.